And in a way, like, Jax kind of opened up. I feel like his feelings were true. But then, typical man, new meat come in, nice girl come in, and Jax got carried away. And Jax was suck out girl song and pay things. And then now, Jax did feel like the Page wouldn't hear nothing, and Page hear everything, so I just be a bangarang. But
hardly check for you. You know, sister, him not deserve you. Baby, try my love. Girl, won't you try my love?
hey YouTube, it has been a minute, okay? So here what's happening, right? I haven't vlogged in like the longest time, and I thought that I'd just probably do something a little bit different. I have vlogs that I'm obviously gonna be dropping even before this video or after. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna do it, but just know I'm gonna do it. However, about now, I'm gonna be doing a live reaction. I'm gonna be doing a live reaction to, what's it called again? Love Island! Yes! So I'm gonna be doing a live reaction to Love Island Season 8, Episode 35. Why am I doing this particular episode? Why? Because I literally just thought of doing it, and I'm at episode 35, and I don't feel like going back to like rewatch anything that I've already watched for you guys. So I'm just gonna do episode 35 because that's where I'm at, you know. And I'm like not at the beginning, but I'm like in the middle. Well, not really in the middle, like it literally just started like a few seconds ago, so I'm a little bit in it. But I'm gonna be reacting to, oh my god, this thing. Let me start talking like a situation. And come, give me a minute, guys. Give me a hot, steamy minute. Ow. Yeah. So I really hope that this freaking thing don't give me a lot of copyrights, you know. But guys, like, I'm gonna start doing more reviews. I was actually on TikTok. I was doing TikTok battles, and then I said to myself, oh hell no, like I need to start posting for my channel because this is my root. This is where I started from a long time. Oh my god, like I'm no wait. Since I'm doing a Love Island review and they're all like, they kind of all have like a British accent thingy, I think I should try an accent, right? What y'all think? Anyways, guys, I did like video when I was getting this hair installed. This wig is, I'm gonna do a voiceover, I think, because I have some parts. Oh my god, me and this accent. Oh my god, I said accent. Did I fucking say accent? Is that how it's said? I don't even know, but whatever. Alright, so I did do a hair review that's coming out. I didn't get this hair from no company. I purchased it, and I'm not giving nobody no free promotion. But sorry, I spend my money. I'm not giving anybody free promotion right now. If you want promo, you give me free wig. It's that simple, boo. Anyways, so I'm at episode 35. So far, what's going on is Tasha is like super upset with Andrew because Andrew listens to the new girls. Like, he kissed another girl and he was telling her that, oh, he wants to be with her and a whole bag of drama. So yeah, that's all that. Anyways, these are also press-ons done by moi. Yes, child. Anyways, let's get into it. So Love Island season 35, I'm gonna be reacting to it blindly. As y'all can see, I'm halfway there. I'm not all the way there, it's just halfway. Yeah. Fuck. Oh my god, I'm not cutting this out. I'm sorry. I kind of feel like I turn upside down. Wait, let me see. I don't even know. Bitch, I hate when that happens. Oh my fucking god, I'm gonna drop on my laptop. Oh my god, I don't like this. Okay, so yeah, my buy good things, so it's still rocking, you know. Alright guys, so let's, y'all know me, as I said, it's a live raw reaction, so anything I'm gonna video whatever, let's go. Okay, I don't want to hear the music because I don't even know if this music is copyrighted, so I really want to hear the music, so I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because yeah. So we can let you know. Yo, one must eat this. I don't know if I should have like gone through it before and then react, but may I give a raw reaction. And that's the music. Why don't I put music? So basically Tasha and Billy is coupled. And everybody knows that Tasha an Andrew person. And Billy's like nobody's person because he's new. But Tasha chose Billy to couple. And Andrew chose Coco, I think. Is it Coco? Yeah. I think he chose Coco. Oh, and Jax and Paige have big drama. And Paige is like, Paige is still mad at Jax. Because in a Paige mind, Jax should, like, alright. I'm pausing. So personally, me feel like the Paige overreacting. Because it's an experiment where y'all are supposed to go into open-minded. And you're supposed to like make the man have a real shot. How is he gonna know? Say you him want if him not get a real shot. Please to remember that when the whole episode started, like you were there and you weren't really finding any real connections. Then he came in and but all of a sudden them this like Jax kind of opened up. I feel like his feelings were true, but then typical man, new meat come in, nice girl come in, and Jax got carried away. And Jax was suck out girl song and pay things. And then now, Jax did feel like the Paige wouldn't hear nothing, and Paige hear everything, so I just be a bangarang. But I feel like say, in a sense, I feel like say Jax, him kind of go about it in a the wrong way, because him could have tell her, him never have to make the girl them really tell her still. Not to mention that, me Jesus, so you make a cock up because you know look like me I go get to review that part, yeah. Look like me I go tell you already and how me feel about it. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Gemma is a pretty, beautiful young lady. Gemma, you're nice. I'm not gonna take that from you. You're very beautiful. But I don't trust you. I'm gonna just say another way so you're gonna find man, because you really don't look like that type. Like, don't get me wrong, you don't look like that type. But I don't think you're in love with Luca. Yeah, Luca deserves better. Yeah, period. Luca does deserve better, okay? Because this man sleep on the day bed them because him no want disrespect her in enough. And you know say Goody still asleep with the man them. Goody don't care which man. Goody sleep with every man. Not like sleep with but do the punching thing. But Goody, just like how Luca can sleep on the bed them and hold him on and you can do it. So that's just my point of view. And me just feel like say she was not, or she is not the most genuine to him when it comes out to feelings like he is. Remember, I'm here to judge. I'm here to rate these people, rate the movie, give my review on it. So who feel away, who not feel away, like, me not really give a fuck. Period. Yes, guys, and before I say, I'm going to say nothing about the whole Donnelly situation. I'm going to do that. But I'm going to do that in a whole other video. This whole situation. And probably that's the reason I haven't said anything. But I'm just hoping that she's not dead. I'm just hoping that me and hope just she take a break, honestly. Me hope just she decides that yo, like, I'm just fed up. I'm gonna need to just drive out and just like take a break from everybody and just not tell nobody when they just not answer no call and just make everybody just go crazy for a minute. But really I hope one of them situation there because I mean I never knew her. Okay, as I said, like I don't know means Miss Talkative, means Miss Talk a lot. So y'all know I'm finna have a lot to say. So I wanted to do that in like a whole other vlog because this is all about Love Island, baby. Why? I don't like peace. I like problem always. Anyways, let me see if I can, you know, hear nothing what's the movie. But tell her the music do Jesus. The music is too much. But I even didn't know there's so much music in a hit until me I did the review, period. Like, all this time, ignore it. Coco is pretty, but Coco is just... Coco just uncomfortable. Coco come out of the movie. Coco come out of the show, you're uncomfortable, but that's the truth. Yeah. So as I said, I watch episode 35. Name again. Cause him just come, I really warm up to him yet. Bad to bad, some of the character them never really stand a chance because Amber, me feel like Amber did like, me did really like Amber in there, and me feel like Amber did deserve a chance to find love, honestly. And bad to bad, what's a way Amber? What's a way? India they with Amber Man fast. Come out and show business, my love.
What is when you look at him, so you need to break it down for me. Like, what is he supposed to show that he's still
bitch. Poor bit. They are watching show for telling no one go on. Give me a minute.
I've never felt so excited to us to continue life with, you know what I mean?
No, but in all honesty, I feel like Jax deserves the treatment we might get from Paige because she did actually try to get other people. But then she start by and say she don't really want them the man there again. Like she never really want to expand a connection with nobody else. She want Jack, so she not gonna even try. Which was a good step on her behalf. But the bottom line is she still was gonna attempt it, which means that I never like she was 100% loyal.
And I do appreciate trying, like that's also got a big smile.
You are.
Yeah, no, he's doing alright. I just don't know where my head is at.
Oh, so you just need your space, like right now.
Like that's what I'm saying. Like I do, but at the same time, it's just like yeah.
Paige make me yawning.
At the same time, like I miss him and I want to talk to him, but at the same time, I don't know what I'm gonna talk to him about.
How do you do lipstick, mate? Like,
What am I do? The right lipstick. Oh, Jax, that's sweet. Move me swear you right now.
honey buns. She had not.
She's oh, miss you.
Is that meat honey buns? Yeah, mate, that's way better than mine. I just know what
Miss you, honey buns.
Then she'll realise.
So he wrote her
I miss her.
a message on napkin with lipstick. I think it's cute.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I'll put it on the sheet.
I want India. I just feel like whatever I have with India is just literally what I want. I don't really want to lose that.
So why did you choose the girl? Why you never choose India?
It means like each day that keeps going by and we're not actually talking. It's like we're not really each other anymore.
You pissed me off, dummy.
Yeah, and I don't really like this whole distance thing.
If you never like it, why you choose the other girl and not choose India, dummy? Dummy, you're not making sense.
It's like
And Paige agreeing, it's not funny. Paige is crazy. Oh, it's not.
You're gonna be fine.
I can't lie to you, I feel like I'm stupid as fuck as about that. No, yeah, it's like stupid as fuck. No, it's stupid as fuck as about that. Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah.
Oh, so that you actually want India?
Yeah.
Oh, did you want back India? Oh, me get it. Alright, me get him.
I can still come back to you. So as much as it's going to be hard for you to sit there and watch it, it's good. Because if anything's going to be like, I don't even know what, bro. It's because of me.
I feel like I have a lot to say. And I feel like I haven't actually been entirely honest.
Okay.
And yeah, so basically, I feel like even before like I made my decision and stuff, I was always gonna pick you, and like it was always gonna be you for me. Like even when you left and stuff, it was always gonna be you. Like there was possible connection there with someone.
So, me not get it, Dammy, you're confused.
When we work together and stuff, I feel like it's
Dammy brain must have had him. Can I tell India say, just like last night, him choose a couple with somebody else, and then I say, from day one, him knows say, she can't do this. Yeah, but India don't smart, because him saying him did jump from Amber so fast to she, so. Alright. What do Aisha? Come here.
She bite me from me bottom, so me the bite her back.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
You see, any our bottom of teeth bite, me I bite you back. Because you are the bigger one. I'm gonna tell you, inside should do anything, you come get me. So guys, basically what's going on is the person that India chose is feeling somewhat insecure because him get her from Dammy, and then now Dammy is trying to get back in. I mean, I would feel insecure too. So Deji have a point, like he has his right to be insecure. I feel like India and Dammy like sense. Honestly, I feel like they can work as a couple. But I mean, neither of them are sure that they're secure. Because as you realize now, the recoupling, India chose a different man, Dammy chose a different woman. So it just goes to show that both of them, none of them nothing say them good enough for each other, or them good enough the team. Hats off to Luca and Gemma. Bad. I really love Gemma because Gemma is like not emotional to Luca in a one way, but that's probably just her personality, and probably that's just how she copes. Jay and Ude. I don't even know Jay and Ude. I can't even call him name right now. Jax and Paige not gonna work. From observation, because Paige don't trust him and Paige feel like him no want nothing serious. So I know she could probably self-sabotage and just figure up everything. What I'm gonna do though, guys, is I'm gonna start watching the episodes first, and then I'm gonna like give y'all reviews on the parts that I've already watched. Because to watch this right now with the music and stuff, I don't even know if I'm gonna be copyrighted. I wanted to do it live, but then the copywriting I drive my kind of insane. I'm not like to, but I'm gonna turn it down. Hungry. Boy, did you look? Active. Are you take out your battery them? Why you take them out?
Because I can bite me.
Take out the battery out of the TV remote. Because I guys carry remote count, TV now I watch no more. But guys, as I say, like this episode, I haven't watched it yet, so I feel like I shouldn't be doing the review while I did this one. I'm gonna post it and then I'm gonna see if I get copyrighted. If I don't, then I'll do them like this. If not, I'll watch them first and then I'll do the review and like give y'all, you know, my opinion. So this is gonna be like the end of the review, guys. I'm so sorry I didn't get to spice up the way that I would want because I'm so stressed, like I'm stressed out. But really, I wonder if I'm gonna get copyrighted because I mean to sit down and do one video and then get copyrighted, it's just too much. It don't make no sense. Anyways, guys, I'll be doing more. I wanted to interview a couple. I know I'm gonna interview that couple. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. But I don't know when. I'm gonna talk to them later and see if I can probably do it tomorrow or something like that. And then I'll let you guys like we're not gonna get the interview, but as I'm gonna say, they start asking about my YouTube channel about the hook or the crook. I am so sorry that I've been like so laid back. But I'm gonna give y'all videos. I'm gonna give y'all videos, babies. I love y'all. Big up on a nice clean self. Douches.
Try my love.